This story I think you'll find a little bit disappointing, although there is a heartwarming element to it which will become obvious as we go through. So welcome back, we are on Easy Chinese Cooking because this video involves restaurants and food, so make sure you subscribe here too. And if you're not familiar with who I am, I'm the Black Belt Barrister, so you should go and check out my other channel as well. So in this video I would actually like to offer my sympathies to Lee Skeet and his employee Lily, but also my admiration for him for what he's done, which I'm going to explain now. So Lee Skeet runs a restaurant in Cardiff and he felt compelled to ban a group of wealthy diners that came to his restaurant. The reason for which is that they acted inappropriately and disrespected his member of staff, Lily, who's a 22-year-old female. Now, I personally find it utterly unacceptable where people disrespect members of staff, whatever the circumstances, because there's always a polite way to deal with it. Even if you are upset and frustrated with something, you can still be polite and respectful. So I have to offer all credit to Lee Skeet here for banning this group of people from his restaurant. But not only that, initially he took to social media to say that he was going to refund their money less £100, which he was going to give to Lily, which is what they should have tipped her in the first place. But then he changed his mind and said actually no, he's not giving the money back. He's going to give the whole of the £1,000 to Lily for the experience that she went through. I personally find that admirable and I have utmost respect for Lee for doing that. So Lee and Lily, if either of you end up watching this video of mine, I'm sure I can speak for all of my followers when I say that you have our warm support and hopefully you'll never have to go through this sort of thing again. So if any of you want to offer Lee your support, I've put a link to his Twitter in the description below. Maybe stop by his restaurant in Cardiff if you're passing. And you know what? Maybe someone might set up a Just Giving page to help repay Lee this £1,000 that he's so kindly handed over to Lily because he felt that she deserved it after the experience that she went through. In fact, I might even do that myself, and if I've done that by the time I've edited this video, you'll see the link to that in the description below as well. Let's help get Lee this £1,000 back that he's so kindly given to Lily and hope that neither of them have to go through this experience again. As always, thank you for watching.